Why is lawn care always so complicated? Solve the problem with BLACK+DECKER's 2-in-1 trimmer and sweeper combo kit. Why does maintaining a beautiful lawn always feel like a full-time job? Constantly switching between different tools, worrying about tangled wires, and dealing with bulky equipment can be frustrating. But that's not the case with BLACK+DECKER's 2-in-1 cordless string trimmer, edger and sweeper combo kit. With one device that easily converts from a trimmer to an edger and a built-in sweeper to clean up debris, you'll experience a hassle-free yard care routine. You no longer need a closet full of tools. This combo kit simplifies the entire process. The answer to your lawn care woes? The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 combo kit. This innovative tool utilizes a powerful 20-volt MAX POWERCONNECT battery system that powers both the trimmer/edger and the sweeper. You'll never have to deal with the hassle of constant recharging or tangled cords again. Plus, the automatic feed spool ensures smooth, uninterrupted trimming without having to stop and bump. With the easy-to-use adjustable handle and lightweight design, it's built for comfort and convenience, so you can enjoy flawless results without the strain or stress. Switching between tools shouldn't be a complicated task. That's why the BLACK+DECKER combo kit allows for a seamless transition from trimmer to edger with a simple 180-degree rotation of the handle. No need to spend time setting up new equipment or wasting energy adjusting complicated settings. With just one turn, you're ready to edge your lawn with precision and clean edges. Whether you're trimming around flower beds, sidewalks, or edging along borders, you get two essential lawn tools in one, saving you time and effort for a better result. Why buy multiple tools when one kit does it all? The BLACK+DECKER combo kit is designed to save you both time and money. Instead of purchasing separate trimmers, sweepers, and edgers, invest in this versatile system. The long-lasting, interchangeable 20-volt MAX batteries work across a range of other BLACK+DECKER tools, allowing for cost-effective convenience. Plus, the automatic feed spool reduces the need for constant adjustments, eliminating time wasted on tangled cords. Save money on additional equipment and maintenance while still achieving a perfectly manicured yard. When it comes to lawn care, ease of use is key. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 combo kit is designed to be lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for anyone, whether you're a weekend warrior or a lawn care pro. The comfortable grip, combined with the quiet operation, allows you to maintain your lawn without disrupting the peace. And with its durable construction and efficient design, this kit will last for years to come. Stop wasting time on complicated tools. This combo is the only solution you'll need to keep your lawn in top shape, season after season.